Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to unlock Agoda's secret hotel offers and save big on your bookings. Now first of all, once you are at the homepage of Agoda, so you will see an interface like this one. So on the right side you can see this option like save more on app. Now this is one of the tips. Just click on it and as you can see save 10% on your first app booking. You can just scan the QR code and you will get a discount of 10%. Now, this is the first tip. If or you are looking for something else, you can just select the. Let's say I want to enter the city. Make sure to enter the dates and select the adults and just click on the search button. And once you click on the search button, so scroll down, and as you can see, like this is basically a kind of coupon code that is automatically applied, and you will get a discount like inside this price, not for this. And this is second hotel. This is the third one. They are automatically giving you a discount. That is your choice. If you want to go for this one, you can just go it. Otherwise, there's a third option as you can see, looking for instant coupons. You can just click on see all coupons. But let's say if you are at the home page, so from this you can just click on coupons and deals, and once you're inside this, on the left side, you will see hotels and homes, which is inside. Like if you want to go for hotels, want to go for flights, that is your choice. You can select the filter and just click on search, and you will see all the coupons go like up to 40% off, up to 50% off. You can just click on claim coupons, and this is basically the promo code that is already written, and the time duration as well, like expires in 3 days. You can just read as well and scroll down, and here's the like how to apply coupons. First is find a coupon, collect it, and second one is search for property with coupon applicable. Now there are some properties which they will give you the option of coupon applicable or not, and the third one is be sure to apply your coupon promotion before completing payment. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can get deals on Agoda. Now make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you find this video useful.